pretty high. There's that rejection back down. Okay. So we're just pushing here off the open, and I'm seeing we get a retest. Probably don't. We're just pumping here. Let's see. Look at the hourly. The hourly chart's about to close, but I think we have higher to go here. They're just pumping this straight up, dude. Straight up, right? Um, I really want to see if we get retest down to this trend line here. ES is pumping. Oh my god, it's still pumping. Kind of FOMOing, but I do want to retest first. Yeah, I really do want a retest. Maybe they down to this area. We're up. Now we're up by resistance here. This is resistance. Let's see. I might take a long really quick. See if we get a little push down. See if we gotta push down really quick.
Order filled.
Enter a long real quick and see what happens here. Let's see if they push up, break the highs. Since the hourly chart is about to close, I want to hurry up and get out of this trade really quick. If it can push up. Come on here. Can we get up there? Can we get up there? Come on, push up, push, 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 push. I love days like this. I love days like this. Oh my god, it's not doing it. Not doing it.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna take it there.
Order
Since
filled.
the hourly candle is about to close.
Order filled.
It's real. Hourly candle's about to close and it's hitting resistance too. So I want maybe a deeper retest kind of. Wow. Let's just wait for this candle to open here. Hourly candle just opened up, right? So it might push down a little bit before it push even more. Right? Look at this. Maybe it comes down to this and it sweeps. I will enter again, right? I want to see it bring. I want to see them bring the price down here. Maybe take out the lows at this internal low, and then tap the 21 EMA to push up again.
Order filled.
Okay, they're just pushing it here. And I do think they push up to the highs, man. Here we go. Push, push, push. Go, go, go. Push, guys, push. Push, guys, push. Come on. It's raining pretty hard outside right now, so hopefully it doesn't mess with my electricity on this trade here. My power. It's kind of struggling a little bit. I don't want to bring. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna stop up to this, up to the low of the previous candle, because if it is going to go, it shouldn't go down and test this candle. There we go. Come on. It wants to go. Come on. You know you want to go. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. You know you want to go. Nah. Okay, it might stop me out here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, it's cool. A little. Okay, so now we need a pullback. I was waiting for this pullback here, actually. So probably wait for the 5 minute to pull back down lower to around down this area.
Order filled.
Doing it again. You just can't be afraid. That's long right here. Like, that wick kind of gave me confidence. They wicked it up. That's why I like this here. I still think we have a little more momentum to go. But after this, if this trade doesn't work out right, I might have to wait for the 5 minute candle. Yeah, the 5 minute candle looks like it wants to go down, retest lower. Not what I want to see here. Let's see. See if they can push us up now. If not, then we might get stopped out. Which is fine. They're trying to push it here. I mean, they're holding this. Wow. That's very, bro, what the? I don't know how that didn't stop me out, right? But see if we can get a little push up. This candle closed green. We are green on this trade. This trade will work out. Have a higher percentage chance of working out if we are green on this trade. I might just put it up more. Here we go. See, we go to the 500s here. Wow. Okay. It has to break the highs here. Oof. bit above to this. I need this to push now. Struggling a lot here, struggling to push this up. We're struggling here. That wick down is not it. This might be a, yeah, it might get stopped out here. Push, come on, man. I mean, they're holding it. The Bulls are holding it here. Yep, might stop me out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just stop me out here. Yeah, I'm gonna need a retracement down to the 5 EMA at least here. They are struggling to push this. Yeah, it looks like you want to go lower. I'm gonna need a deeper retest. Okay, so yeah, on the 5-minute chart, that wick on top doesn't look very good. It looks like it wants to pump though. Yeah, that 5-minute chart, another wick on that 5 here, right? So we don't want to long here into that. You want to wait for a deeper retest probably. There it is. There's the deeper retest. Now we're waiting for this, waiting for this area here to get hit, to get touched. A little deeper. Need a little deeper of the retest. Come on, just pull it down a little bit more. It's still too kind of early for me. Right there, look, boom, boom. Let's see this. Looks like they're pushing now, though. We got 3 minutes on a 5-minute chart here. This might be the push. If ES can also put a wick in, they'll give you a little more confidence to enter this long. I might long. No, we're gonna wait for this 5-minute wick, 5-minute bar to develop.
Order filled.
Can we get more of a push here? We swipe the lows. We look at this 5-minute chart. It looks so good. We can get more of a push. I will. If we get more of a push, I will move this to break even. Come on. Dang, I missed that really, really good long in the morning, man. Let's see if we can get up to the highs here. Push, push, push. I'll move this to the bottom of this wick probably now. The bottom of that wick. There we go. It's hard to imagine we don't push the highs here. It's a very nice setup. We gotta go now, twin. Push, push, push. So now move it up here. Bang.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. I just exited there because that was a real quick push up, right? And look at it, it's retesting back down here. So there is a new high now. Now let's wait. That wick up. Gosh. Looks like they might push it here. Oof. Okay. Yeah, the hourly looks like it wants to push to the highs. I might long here in a minute. Let's see if we get a push down maybe. No, everything is pushing.
Order filled.
So I'm gonna see if I can get a quick stab of a long here. Push up to 400 here. Push up to 400. Come on. Come on. A little less than 400 probably. So keep pushing here. After that momentum, I really like it. The longs. See if we can get to the 400s. I might add here. We get a sweep back up. I should have took my 15 now. I think I'm a little too eager to. I'm too aggressive today. Like I should have waited for this pullback, right? But it shouldn't break the lows if it wants to keep pushing. Maybe it's at 5 here. Yeah, the thing they want to. Not sure if I want to add. Ish. This momentum needs to step in. Blah. Okay, so it shouldn't come down to and stop us out here if it wants to keep pushing. It looks like it wants to keep pushing. Ugh, I don't like that though.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Gosh. Okay. Maybe another push down, or we might just dump here, right? Let's just see. We're at resistance, but like right here, I'm pretty sure they can go up to there. Like I'm not gonna lie. Just give it a second here. Then that 15 points. Should have took that 15 though. This 5 minute. Might enter with 2 here. Wait for this 5-minute chart to develop here. Let's see. It's trying to go. The wick getting put on the 5 here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. This right here is a C setup. I need the 5 to look good. Maybe the 5 come back down a little more. We can break these highs. Wow. I want that 5 to develop. ES is pumping 2. Very nice. Okay. NVIDIA is trying to pump. Let's see if we have any news. Okay. Let's see if we can get a little retest.
Order filled.
This needs to keep going.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Damn, very nice push on the 5-minute. That 5-minute looks very freaking nice, bro. Two contracts because it's a kind of trending today, right? So see if we get a push here. They're trying to push it. Yeah.
Order submitted.
See if they can take me out here, and I'm gonna take the rest. Let the rest ride.
Order canceled.
Come on, momentum needs to keep going. Momentum. This can break out. Doesn't want to go. That 5-minute candle looks so good though. Push, push, push.
Order
I'm
canceled.
just gonna close it, man. It doesn't want to go. ES is pumping. Ah! I got shooken out. I'm not gonna lie, I got shooken out. I got shooken out of that trade.
Order filled.
See if they can push to 400 here. If ES can go. Just go. Nice. I'm gonna go break even now. Pop the 400s here for a little bit. Just shorting it back down. We got a little more push in us. There we go. Come on. Woohoo. Man, I might break even. I should just keep holding this. Push.
Order
Nice.
filled.
Yes, sir. See, we lost like 3 trades, but one good trade. That's all you need, right, to make it all back. So now you want to be patient. See if they still push here. They ran the 400s. Oops. Super scary. And it's still going. It's still going, bro. I don't have the balls to hold it that long, but yeah, good for you if you do, right? On days like this, you want to do size up. You want to size up. So on a days like this, you really want to wait because it gave me a bunch of false signals here on the 1 minute chart. Like I entered on this, got stopped out. Entered on this, got stopped out. You know what I mean? So you wait for the 5 minute here. That looks super. See, it's just following this EMA perfectly. So I will wait for the 5 minute for retest. And they slightly might just keep pushing. Nvidia still pushing here. Okay, we're just pushing a 400 level. This is resistance right here, so I don't want to long this here. But we are finally back above 25,000. Yes, now everything else is just profits, right? When I started this channel, I had these 425Ks, and then I just kept having losing streaks. Now we made it all back this month. The 50K, we made $1,000 profit in that so far, right? So I've been having winning days, winning streaks. Making our way back slowly but surely, right? Okay, so on days like this, super good. Wow, still pushing too. Still pushing, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm hands off. Holy shit. Should just keep my pushing. They still going, bro. We got 23 minutes for this hourly candle to close here. I can see them coming back down here for a little retest, for a little pullback before going higher, which is not out of the question here. Like, it's pretty normal. It might just keep pushing, dude. Who's still buying this? I want the ES to kind of come back down for retest too, because the ES follows NASDAQ kind of perfectly on trend days like this. So right now, ES is kind of hitting resistance. If it comes down to the EMAs here, I have to enter it for a long. Oh, there we go. ES is retesting. NQ is also retesting. So look at the daily. We're at the daily high, right? So ES can push. They're just holding at the highs. It's a good sign. But yeah, look, ES wants to come back down here. Okay, so the worst today, some bad decisions. I entered on strength, but you want pullbacks like this to enter, right? So it's really my fault though. Today, all the losers today was my fault, and all the losers after today will be my fault. So that's the line I'm looking at right here, and we at major resistance, major resistance. So I'm seeing if we can get down there. Let's see. They can pull back, or they can just keep pushing here for a higher, and then pull back, because there will be a pullback. It's just yeah, I guess go keep going. Let's see how ES close. Just waiting for a pullback. Sit on your hands. Be patient. We're at resistance. Do not long up here, or you could. Not financial advice. Uh, but it's topping off here. Like, okay, they don't care about it. They don't care about that. We need a retracement. We need a retracement. Let's see. Dude, it's still pumping, man. What? Maybe we get like a candle down here. ES is pumping too. This is
Order filled.
See if they can push us up a little bit. I just want a little bit like a 10-point scalp here. Oh, now it wants to pull back on me. I did it again, man. I did it again, guys. I did it again. I did it again. I did it again. I messed up again. ES needs to pump here. So you really should have entered on that. ES is still trying to pump. Very nice. Moving this up here probably. See if we can push. Push it. I just want my 10. I just want my 10. Oh my god, it's so close. Tap me out really quick.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bang. Bang, 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 bang. On days like this, you gotta push the advantage. You gotta press the advantage, man. Okay, so look at the daily chart. We popped. We're pumping. Now we're at the daily EMAs kind of. We pushed above the previous daily high. Probably gonna sweep it. We already took it. If they keep pumping this, we can go all the way up here to 25,600 area or 550 area, which is next major resistance area, which is the EMAs, where the daily EMAs are too. And if you look at the hourly, we are, yeah. So we just busted through this level. It's probably gonna close this gap. So now you want to wait, right? It's been pushing all day. You want to wait for a deep retest, to probably to the 5-minute here. This is the area I'm looking at right here. I want it to come back, right? So we're waiting. All you need is, right? So this just proves that win rate doesn't matter. I lost like 4 trades this morning. Three trades, pretty small losses. And then I won them all back, right? Just two good trades. But I'm staying on here. See. So we're up like 450 on the day. Like almost 500 a day. I am going to wait here. Every time the market pumps like this, there's a more and more, it's more and more likely to pull back. Every time it pumps, every time there's a green candle. So it's been green and pumping all day. So what is the probability of a pullback? It's probably pretty high. It's probably like 60 40. 40% it keeps going, right? Which is not favorable. And 60% it will pull back. Very high probability of pulling back around this area too. All this resistance, well, blew through all this resistance, and it's probably gonna fill the gap. But we're at daily highs, like I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait. Why that camera like that? A little more this way. Need to pull back here. Pull back, pull back. I don't know why my camera is like that. What the? Bring it down. There it is. Okay, that's better, I think. Down. Yep. Gonna keep it like that. Wow, it's still going, bro. It's still pumping. I'm not entering, though. This is crazy. It's not giving us a pullback at all. Crazy. No more FOMO. I got some trades out of this. Like, I'm not FOMOing. We gotta be patient here. Right? Think about it. Like, are you a FOMO trader or consistent trader? Waiting for the retracement. Hands off. Right? Look at this 5-minute chart, bro. How many green candles in a row is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about to be 9. So it's a bunch of, it's 2 red candles and a bunch. It's just hella green. We have not had any real deep retracement, excluding this morning right here. So we swept all these lows. Just pushed up. Now this high. See, it looks like it wants to put in a retest here. There it is. Remove that for now. Pumping it right back up slowly. I'm kind of tempted to short it, but that would be just plain stupid. Because look at the trend. That would be stupid. Whoa. We're still pumping here, guys. Holy shit. Dude, I'm not. Yeah, I don't wanna enter here. I need a retracement. We need a 5 minute, like a 21 EMA retracement here. Right. I'm not doing this. It's still pumping. Holy shit. In hindsight, could have bought here and just held it the whole way. You had nuts. But holy, who in their right mind holds it at all? Like, who in their right mind holds it through all this resistance? That's crazy. If you did hold it, you are the GOAT, bro. Holy shit. See, this is what I aspire to be. Enter here and just hold it the whole day. Holy moly. But we do need a 5 minute retracement here. I don't care. I'm just going to look at the 5 minute. This area, I'm going to circle it. That's what I'm looking for, right? I'm going to circle it. Eclipse. That's the area I'm looking at. Like, look, it's trying to go now. Is this the pullback or is it just a little bit of a retest? Need a deep retest here because holy shit, it's been pumping all day. We have to have it. Like, it's not a guarantee, but the probability of getting a retest is super high. We need a deep, deep retest. That just broke structure to the downside. See, it broke this. So before this, it's just been pumping all day. It's been following this EMA. But we just broke structure to the downside. So the the retest is really likely to come right here. Oh, we're gonna wait. We're going to wait. Look at the hourly, bro. It might just fill the gap. I don't know if it'll fill it today, but it 25,500. That's a mental area. Yeah. Momentum. You can kind of see momentum is dying out, right? It's putting in a 5 minute wick, but it's very weak. So I mean, yeah, I don't want to enter here. A lot of bulls. A lot of people is bullish right now, right? Momentum. What does it tell you that we're getting a retest up there, right? It tells you that there's not that many buyers coming in, right? And there's sellers stepping in up here. If you're a bear, you want to short up here, right? If you're a bull, you want to wait for a pullback, like how I'm doing, right? A lot of people probably see this trend and they're thinking the same thing I am. They want a pullback. So right now, a lot more bears want to short this than bulls. I think like a lot of people are doing what I'm doing. They're just waiting for a pullback, to a deeper pullback, right? If you're a bear right now and you want to short this is a perfect short for you, right? As soon as you see this red 5 minute candle, they're gonna instantly think, "Oh, it's time. Shorten it back down. The pullback is here." So it is that red candle, right? It's been it's like 10 green candle, and that one red candle will give them confidence to just enter here, right? You gotta think, what is the other side thinking right now? The bears is thinking they want to short this back down. Momentum is dying. The pumps is getting weaker, and the bulls are probably a lot of people just probably wait on the sideline to enter here. I'm probably going to move this up a little bit more. Like that's the area I wanna look at right here. So yeah, I will wait for a deeper pullback. So let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Pump, 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 straight up. Here, let me check my stocks. See what I got. I got some QQQ, some VOO. They probably up crazy right now. Yeah, I was thinking this morning to add more to the positions, but I didn't. But we're up now. We're up right now. Put some lotion on my hands are dry as hell. I'm happy I got a little piece of the pie. A little piece of the pie is enough for me. I'm still waiting here for a setup, but I am satisfied with today already, right? Need a retest. A lot of people are still trying to long it from up there. That's why they're struggling to bring this down, but it's inevitable to have a retest. Just wait. Here goes the retest now. There it is. This is what I was waiting for, right? To pull back to the EMAs, maybe for a push up, or it could just pull back all the way down. But we need some momentum to come back in around here, like it's changing. State of delivery. Look at it. This looks good. I might size down for this trade. I want to wait for this 5-minute chart to close, actually. It's just pushing now, bro. Damn. No, let's just wait for this 5-minute just to be a little safer. It almost hit my little zone I was looking at here. And yeah, that 5-minute looks fucking good, though. For right now. Let's see if this comes down and sweep the lows here. See, that's why I want to wait for the 5. Looks like it was a fake to trap some bulls here. Yeah. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left on this 5-minute chart. It's 5. They're just pushing it straight down again. See, it didn't break. It didn't break the previous candle. Oh, it did. It did. We're gonna wait. Still gonna wait. Take What up, bro? What's up, Tank? I don't know if you're still on. I don't have my thing up. Let me see. What up, Tank? Mute that. Let's go. Yep. So it looks like they probably went lower here. This is why I wanted to wait for the 5-minute candle to close. If we get a sweep below these lows, this previous 5-minute, and it sweeps back up, which might be the push here. Not gonna lie, yep. Looks like a push here. Let's wait. Wow, they're pushing it here. Yep. ES needs to get above the previous 5-minute here. It's trying to do it. Yep, it's pushing too. Wow. Okay. Okay, so now maybe I want. So we just made a higher high, I think. No, it broke structure to the upside. Yeah. You see, we can break these previous candles high and hold the highs here, and then maybe like a little retest for a long. Let's wait for this 5-minute candle to close. Wow. Okay, so they probably want to keep pushing this. She should have answered down here. But okay. They're pushing here. We're just gonna wait for this candle to close. See, they're getting a push down here. I don't like that wick getting put in. Let's see if we can get a push still. Okay, so Nvidia is still trying to push right now off the EMAs. Pulling back now. Yep, it's pulling back. The 5-minute, they're putting in a wick on the top. It's not what you want to see if you're bullish. Yeah, thank God I waited for this 5-minute. Saved my ass. Look at it. It's probably sweeping to go lower, right? This might be a low, short here. My short here. I'm gonna try a short here. Maybe. Wait for this 5-minute candle. Oof. Wow. Okay, let's see. I need like a push up. A little bit of a push up. And I will short that down. Is it a long? Push up. If it wicks back down here. If we can get up back up here. So retest. I think they want to push here. Looks like it's gonna range. Okay. I see it. If this candle comes down and breaks these lows, let's see here. If they put in a wick here for to the upside, I'm interested in the long here. Let's wait for this 1 minute to close. 12 seconds here. I'm lowering my size here because this area is not very like high probability after that retrade. No. See if they break this low.
Order
It's
filled.
gonna enter for a long here. Quickly back up. Just one contract here. Looks like they're holding the lows. So I'm gonna risk one contract for a long here. See if the bulls can enter to push this price above these candles here. Doesn't look like they want to though. Flatten everything here. It might just dump. Yep.
Order filled. Order filled.
All good, all good. Let's wait. That 5 minute looks super bearish. Well, not super bearish, but it's bearish so far. So let's wait here. I do not want to short, even though it looks like it wants to go, but
Order filled.
see momentum stepping in, so I will enter.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dang, bro. And it just stopped me out. For a push up, probably. Let's just wait for this 1 minute to close. No momentum. If we can break back above these highs, I will enter another again for a long. And it has to, that candle has to hold though. That candle has to like hold the highs and probably close above this EMA. Okay. So the ES wants to, looks like it wants to pull back. Nvidia kind of struggling. Why? 18 seconds to the close of this 5-minute candle. Looks like they want to dump this, so dump this down a little more here. But there is buyers looking at this. They're struggling to put this higher, to bring this up higher. I'm low-key tempted for a short, but let's just wait because we are trending up hella hard.
Order filled.
So they want to put a wick up here. I got faked out again. Shit. Yep.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Lower here. Okay. Look at the hour here. Hourly's putting in a big wick. Just made a lower low. If this 5-minute chart can break the highs of this, might enter.
Order filled.
Get to the highs.
Order submitted.
One sell limit up here. And then I'm gonna trail the rest if that can do that. Does that break a structure back up? I entered. See if we can break these highs. You know them in a papi. No momentum. Bearish candle to the downside. I'm gonna
Order
close here
filled.
actually.
Order filled. Order filled.
This might be a short. So far I got screwed.
Order filled.
Short that here. You might just drop down here. Spit a 5. I'm waiting to the drop. Doesn't look bad here. Doesn't look too bad. Need this thing to drop. It's a pretty good setup. Bring it up a little more actually. Yeah, this looks like it wants to drop lower here. Nvidia is also trying to make its way down. There it is. It's still dropping. Let's move it to break even. I look a little bit above here. Wow. See if we can keep going. Probably down to the 5-minute EMAs here. We got break even now. They're still going. So let's see that let's see they run the 400s. Run the 400s. Keep going here. I do think we get down there though. Here we go. come down, take me out. Come on, drop it. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Put that down. Nice.
Order filled.
Nice, nice, nice. That was like a 40-point trade. Wow. We're still down because I've messed up. Oh my gosh. Still down in the day. No. Retesting now. I mean, I still want to see. I'm still kind of long bias. It probably gets down to this VWAP. Anything. Let's see if we get any momentum back up here. Yeah, Nvidia is just dumping. 1030 is still going. Should have added on the way down, right? But look, wow, it's just dumping. Okay, so ES is it's dumping. 1040. See if ES can get a bounce here at the VWAP. wait for a 5-minute candle bullish close. It's still going. Changing momentum. Let's see here. It's getting a little push here. Getting a bit of, getting some support, some interest coming in. You still want to wait though. There's interest in this level. I see. So 3 minutes to the close of a 5-minute chart to the. We're gonna wait for that 5-minute candle. I think we hit the VWAP actually. Yeah, we need some bulls here. Oof. Bulls coming back.
Order filled.
Okay, so I might add if it comes back down. Wowzers. Need bulls to come back or we are screwed. Yep.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let me see if I can get one more trade in. We're just selling off here. We need bullish pressure to come back in. Okay, so let me see the 5-minute. EMA hasn't crossed yet on the 5. At the VWAP. Ah. Need some momentum. We are at the EMAs. Like, they want to push this up. Let's wait. Super deep retest. Is this to push back up? Need this to close bullish. Nope. No, I need it. Let's see what happens once it hits this EMA. Wait for this 5 minute to close. There it goes. Some momentum stepping in. It's for me to be bullish. That's to close bullish, man. It's not closing bullish. Okay. Let's see how this 5 minute close here. Is this to push back up or? I mean, that wick getting put in on the hourly chart. I like that. I like that wick right there. We swept the lows. I don't know that freaking. Trying. If ES can pump. Nope. Straight back down. Let's see if it can start like a sequence. If this makes a higher high, because we just broke structure, right? If this doesn't go lower and holds the high here, nope. So they might want to come down for a little more of a test. Might just dump here through again. Yeah. See if ES can go through, can dump through. If ES can dump through, we green. Wow, it's still going. We're about to hit the EMAs down here. 8 minutes to the close of this hourly. So let's wait. Let's just wait. Still trying to dump. I mean, I'm not surprised that big ass push in the morning. You see momentum kind of dying out. That hourly was still down. 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left. 6 minutos. Minutos. ES to keep going, man. ES push up. ES push, 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 push. Can you take me higher? They're trying to dump it again here at this little trend, downward trend they're doing. But it's getting held up.
Order filled.
It's prolonged. Nope.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Can you take me higher? It's still going. What the fuck? Okay, so we're just jumping through, I guess. That hourly candle is about to close. It is about to close. Break the highs. Come on. Yeah, we're below VWAP. Fuck. The 15. Like, we're below all the VWAPs. All the everything, right? So we might just keep going here. I'm not gonna lie. If this pushes up one more time, I'm gonna short it. If this gives me another push up to here, I'm gonna short that back down. Looking at this trend line right here. Perfect trend line. Right there, right there. A little less aggressive actually. Should be like this. Like, we're below, but we're here at the hourly though. Back at the 15-minute range. I think, yeah, we are. We're back at the 15-minute range. So let's see here if they can break this trend line structure up. The hourly chart just closed. We're gonna get a little push up or no? Yep, there it is. If you can hold the highs, might be good. Nice. I like that. Just wait for that 5-minute here. See if this comes back down again. We have any interest?
Order filled.
Short that back down. I blew one of my accounts.
Order submitted.
Bar limit 1. I'm gonna trail the rest back down here. Come on, break the lows. Looks really nice.
Order filled.
I'm gonna move this to break even. I think we keep going here, honestly. Probably to the lows. Looking at the 5 here. I think we go down low, like low. Now we're getting a push up. I'm gonna hold this to the lows, man. Took some profits. And video looks like they want to just keep dumping it. It's getting a reaction back up. Let's see if they can come in and sellers keep going here. Can we keep going? See if I can hold this down to the lows. Man, This 5-minute bar needs to fix itself here. There it is. Move to break even now. So we're in the middle of that 15-minute range, so that 200 level. Let's see if I can break that 200 level for a lower push. And we break even. Do not like how this 5 is closing. That 5-minute chart closed bearish. So, I mean, I'm going to keep holding for the break of the lows probably here. See if they can do it. Come on, bears. Yes, sir. It's 40 points. It wants to come down. I can see it. 50-point trade. That's 50 points.
Order filled.
There we are. Slowly clawing our way back up.
Order filled. Order filled.
We clawed our way back. We did blow one account. That sucks. That really does suck. See, if I'd held both contracts, it would have been up crazy, right? But blowing that account really sucks, man. So at this point, I'm not sure we continue lower or not here. That was a 50-point trade. Wow, it's still going, man. Holy moly. So yeah, it looks like it wants to go for these lows. Do we get a push back up? Indicators. I have to get rid of 38 here. We get a push up. A little push up, please. Yeah, and Nvidia can push up to the 5-minute EMA. That will be great. Yeah, we're just following this trend line down on Nvidia. Still going, bro. It's still going. Still going. Look at this hourly chart, bro. Holy moly. We're just... That rejection is crazy. I think they go for the lows. I think they go for these lows, no? 5-minute lows, like right here. We are at, yeah, that's support. Okay. Let's see. Let's get a push up. Let's get a push up to this little trend line. Doom, 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 that we've been respecting the way down, all the way down. We are very, very bearish.
Order filled. How did that not stop me out? It's crazy. Order filled. Order filled.
Is this a long back up? Might be. This might be the long back up. That's very strong momentum. All depends on how they react to this EMA. Wow. Okay. Yep, look at that wick. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. We might retest this here. I'm looking at that. And then to go back down, right? EMA crossed on the 5. Like, still bearish. Hasn't swept the lows. It's getting a reaction though. Broke that trend line back up. See if we can come back down and maybe find some more support. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, getting a really yep. Okay. Okay. 17 seconds for this close. Five-minute chart close bullish. Do we keep dumping? Or do we push? Question is if are sellers done here, or are they just waiting for this push up to re-enter short? This might be the long back up here, guys. Notice how we pushed up, but we didn't break the previous 5-minute candle's high. It's not. I'm not really liking that. If I want to long it here, if I'm bullish, and we're struggling to push, they might want to come down some more. We're probably breaking lower. Okay. Everything's fine, chat. Everything's fine, chat. Might just push here to the highs. See? Oh, they're pushing it. They are pushing it. Wow. Just made a higher high. Yep. Looking like momentum stepped in. I would want this to come back though. Visit the low one more time. Okay. Let's wait for this 5 minute to close. Very nice wick at the bottom of this, of the hourly chart. "20 seconds on the close of this 5 minute candle. I want a little bit of a retest. We are to continue to push. We are to continue to push. I want more of a retest back down first. Or it might just go.
Order filled.
Just enter for a long here. Needs to keep going here. It's getting shorted, not good. It's not very good.
Order
Close
filled.
it out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. I want price to come back down here. Yeah, that was a dumbass long because we hit that's the 5 minute EMA. That was stupid. The dumbest long of all time. Okay, I think I'm gonna get off here before I do anything stupid and lose more. But yeah, I should have got off when I was up 100 on each account, but yeah, I got greedy. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully